Hey guys, I'm back with another video. Hey guys, I'm not gonna grief. I'm not gonna grief anymore. I'm stopping griefing. I will stop griefing. Here, I'll put my gun down. Oops. Hey! You shot me! You shot me! No, I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking. I'm joking! Ooh. Hey, I'm just gonna buy a grenade, if you don't mind. I'm not gonna blow it up in here! But I'm gonna get up away. Step back! Jeez! What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? Bro, stop griefing the bomb shop. What did I do? What did I do? No, I'm not. I'm not shooting at you. Don't shoot me. Don't shoot me. Stop shooting me. I'm trying to explode a bomb, but it won't work. I'm not. I'm just trying to explode a bomb. Bro! It's not me. It's not me. It's not me. Do I? What did I do? No, that's not me. It's not me. It's not me. It's him. It's him. It's him. Here, I'll guard. I'll guard. I'll guard. Yeah? Okay, who is griefing the bomb shop? Alright guys, that's gonna be the end of the video. Bye.